time and you're...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha, and today I am going to be unboxing my new Macbook. I'm so pumped for this video because I have been waiting for so long for this Macbook. Not so long. I ordered it last week Wednesday, and it was supposed to be a 2-day thing if I ordered it like before 7, but it was because of the weekend and I had to wait till Monday, so I just got it this morning and my voice is gone for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm going to be opening this and we're gonna see my... It's not really new, it's refurbished, because I got refurbished because like I got the new one for like so much money. I'm gonna get it refurbished like new for less amount. So I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna go for the refurbished one. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos to make sure that I'm not buying something that I'm going to regret. I was going to check Best Buy or Amazon to check for refurbished ones that are cheap, but I was just like, Apple is like more reliable, because if something happens to it, I can just I can just drive over to an Apple store and just get another one like immediately, instead of like, you know, going through the stress of Amazon and trying to return it back to some owner. You don't even know if they're even like legit and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get some Apple. It was not for like an entirely cheap price, but it was something I could afford. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing my baby. I'm so pumped. Oh. So Apple has made things easy for us. They have a tab here that I'm just gonna drag to open the box. So, let me just admire the brown box every time. Ooh. I'm so excited, bro. Okay. That is so satisfying. I watched a lot of videos that said that, and I didn't really think that. I've been waiting for this day for forever. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my face right now. I am so freaking pumped. Apple certified refurbished, because obviously I bought it from the refurbished. Obviously I bought it from the refurbished store, so yeah, that's why it says that. So I'm just gonna open it up right now. I am so freaking... I don't want to open it because I like to see fresh new things. My MacBook here, I got a 13-inch one. That's why the box is like a little small. So obviously Apple being so thoughtful again. Oh, oh. Oh my god, this is it. Oh. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. Like, oh, freaking pumped. Ooh. So I'm gonna bring it out of the box now. Just take it out. It's not too small, it's not too big, it's perfect. Look at that. We're gonna leave this for a while, and we're gonna check the charger. This is a USB-C cord, manual, and yeah, manual and Apple stickers. The grounds in gold, because I got the rose gold MacBook. No, I got the gold, not rose gold. It's not rose gold. And then the charger, the brick, USB-C brick. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, Sweet Jesus. That. So first of all, I'm gonna check for physical damage because it's refurbished and everything, so we don't know if it's like 99%. Checking for fingerprints, checking the screws and everything. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, it powers up. Okay. Oh, I'm so pumped. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is perfect. Wow. So I'm gonna set this up and
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oops. I'm gonna set this up really quickly and I am going to get back to you guys in a bit. Oh, so happy. Like, look at this cutie. Oh god. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? I finally finished setting up the stuff and wow, I'm so pumped. So far I haven't found any anomalies wrong with the laptop. Like, I haven't seen anything, so I'm going to test out the whole MacBook right now. I'm going to check the battery, I'm going to check the keyboards and see if they're working. I'm going to check everything and I'm going to see you guys when I finish checking it. So you guys can tell that I am in love with my new MacBook. Like, this is a dream come true. It's not totally brand new, but it is refurbished and it looks brand new, and I am not complaining because this is perfect. And you guys, this is like so beautiful, you don't understand. So yeah, I am in love and I am so happy that I get to share this experience with you guys. Like, I am so pumped. I'm going to do a little more things on it and just charge it to let it rest because there's a lot of things I want to do on it. But like, yeah, that is the end of today's video. Thank you for coming along with me. Thank you for experiencing a very huge big deal in my life. This is like one of my biggest purchases in my life, so thank you so much for sharing that opportunity with me. And I'm probably going to edit this video on this MacBook because why not? I mean, to test how it works and everything. That's part of the reason I bought the MacBook, to be able to edit some videos and all. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. If you guys need an update on how like the MacBook has been working for me, like in like a month's time or something, you can comment down below and I will do an update for you guys. I am so happy that I got this and I can't wait to start using it. Honestly, this is a very big deal. Well, bye, see you guys in my next video.
I hate when we talk through our phones. We have our hopes and our dreams, every little thing between. Maybe this can't be. I rather know that you get